Okay, for this problem, they want us to find the term that's independent of x. So we got to know what that means to start off. And basically what it means is this is a coefficient that doesn't have an x. It's a constant. So what we're looking for is a term that doesn't have an x. It's not multiplied times x. So anyway, let's go ahead and write this down. If I'm going to use the combination 6 something, and I'm going to 2x, and then I'm going to change this to x or k times x to the negative 1, and it's going to be all to some power. Now what I've got to do is I just need the one particular term. I don't got to go through and do everything. So what I'm looking for is some kind of configuration of numbers that equal 6 that when I put them together they're going to multiply and add to get 0. So 6 and 1 doesn't work. If I try 5 and 1, that doesn't work. If I try 4 and 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. If I try 3 and 3, that equals 6. And when I subtract them, I get 0. And so I'm going to go with that. And so all I got to do now is figure out what this coefficient is. 6 choose 3 is 20. And then 2 to the third is 8. And then k to the third is k to the third. And I know when I multiply all this together, it's going to equal 540. So all I got to do is simplify and get the k to the third by itself by dividing both sides by 160. And I'm going to find out that k to the third is equal to 27 over 8. So k must be 3 over 2, or 1.5. So now that I figured out what k is, they want me to go ahead and plug it in and then figure out what the x squared coefficient is. So again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 1.5 times k to the negative 1, and then to the 6th power. And so this, once again, I don't need to do all of the expansion. I just need to do the one term I'm interested in. So I'm going to go ahead and lay it out. And in this case, what happens is when I put these two numbers together, something times negative 1 is going to have to equal 2. So I need two numbers, and I subtract them, they equal 2. Yet the two numbers must add to 6. So I only can use these numbers here. And hopefully you can see the two numbers that add to 6, but when I subtract them equals 2, well, 4 and 2 would be great. They add to 6, subtract to get 2. I put the 2 in here now that I know what my outside exponent is. And see, now all I got to do is find out what 6 choose 2 times 2 to the 4th times 1.5 squared. And when I do all that, I find out that it's going to be 540. Technically, it'll be 540x squared, but keep in mind, all I want is the coefficient, so that's the answer, 540. And that's all I got for that one. All right, thanks for watching.